Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your own label for one-click in SketchUp. First, go to Extensions, One-Click, and Setting. Then go to Label tab. My Templates is a list of your own labels. And Community Templates is a place where people share their label templates. To use the template from here, select Clone this template, or we can also select Set as Default for exporting label when we export Gcode. For example, I clone this one. Hit Save, and label created is the notification for successful downloading. Next, exit Editor. Now go back to My Templates. If we haven't created any new template, then there are two default templates, Template 1 and Template 2, and this is the one that I have cloned. When we export Gcode, the label is included in the package. Select Set as Default, and this template is used for nesting machine and auto-labeling machine. For 5 or 6-sided dwelling machines, when we export code, we can select a label from the list. Now let's practice editing the label. First, for general, we can edit the parameters here. For example, name. To keep it private, tick private. Select the font. Label width. And label height. We can also type in the value. For material or other details, when we select it, it's gonna be shown in blue in the template. And we can also edit these parameters. In the X and Y values, we can type in the values so that the text is placed in the label, or we can also hold left click on it and then move it freely. Do the same for part name, group name, for company name, and some other details. We can choose to show them or hide them. For dimension, we do quite the same. And also sheet ID, part ID. For nesting machine and auto-labeling machine, we just need a code. We can choose to use QR code or barcode. But for 5 or 6-sided dwelling machines, we need 2 codes for the 2 phases. So just hit Show to show the QR2. And for value, copy the exact variable from the list and then paste it into the box. Separate the variables with a comma. We can choose which detail is going to be shown when we scan the QR code. Barcode is another option for QR. Part and edge banding. We can also move them in the label like this. Space is the space between the text of edge banding to the part panel. The font size. Max width, max height is the maximum width or height of the text. Next, sheet. Show them or hide them. For 5 or 6-sided dwelling machine, this sheet is automatically hidden from the label. And side hole. We can edit an individual text. For example, move it like this. Next is the line tool. Select it. We can follow the instruction in this box or adjust the thickness of the line. First left click for starting point, another click for another point, and to finish the line, double click. To delete the line, select the Select tool. Select the point or the line and hit Delete. To save this label, hit Save. We can zoom in, zoom out. And to delete a template, hit Delete. After we finish everything, hit Exit Editor. Then it's saved to our library. Now I'm gonna do an example. For example, I wanna export Gcode for this cabinet. Select Post Processor. Select Nesting Machine and execute. After we do nesting, go to Gcode and download the whole package. And the label template that we set as default is used for this package. But if I export code for MPR or CIX file format, I can select a label template from the list and then hit execute. So that is how we design our own label for one click in SketchUp. Thank you for watching.